Welcome students. Today we are going to learn Standard 10 Subject Maths 1 Chapter number 2 Quadratic Equations. And we know how to solve quadratic equations by using three methods. First method factorization method, second method is completing square method, and third method is formula method. We have already seen first and second method, that is factorization method and completing square method. Today we are going to study about practice set 2.4, that is third method, solve quadratic equations by using formula method. In practice set 2.4, question number 1 is x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Compare the given quadratic equations with the standard form of quadratic equation and find the values of a, b and c. X square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. This is first question, first example. Now compare given equation with the standard form of quadratic equation. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Compare this equation with the standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we have to find out the values of a, b and c. Therefore we get value of a. Here coefficient of x square is 1. Therefore value of a is 1. Value of b is minus 7 and value of c is 5. Means value of a 1, value of b minus 7 and value of c is 5. We get these values. This is the answer. Now in second question, similarly we can find other examples and find the values of a, b and c in first question, similarly like this. In second question, solve the given quadratic equation by using formula method. There is a formula. If a quadratic equation has two roots alpha and beta, then alpha is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are the formulas. In place of alpha and beta, we can use the variable given in quadratic equation. Now we will take an example in question number 2. Example is x square plus 6x plus 5. X square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is question number 2, example number 1. Now compare again with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Compare the given equation with the standard form of quadratic equation. Then we get values of a, b and c. Value of a is again 1, b is 6 and c is 5. A, coefficient of x square is 1, 6 and 5. A, b and c. Now find out first b square minus 4ac in formula. B square, put the values. B square means 6 square. Value of b is 6 minus 4 into a. Value of a is 1 and value of c is 5 into 5. Square of 6 is 36 minus 4 ones are 4 and 4 5s are 20. 36 minus 20 is 16. Now value of b square minus 4ac is 16. Now find the quadratic equation by using formula method. For that our variable is x. Therefore we can take formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula for finding formula method, quadratic equations by using formula method. Now put the values of a, b and c. Minus value of b is 6 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. Value of b square minus 4ac is already find it out here. It is 16. Put the value of b square minus 4ac 16. 2 into a. Value of a is 1. Minus 6 plus minus square root of 16 is 4. 2 ones are 2. Minus 6 plus 4 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to this, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 5. Therefore, we can write the answer as the roots of the quadratic equation. Equations are minus 1 and minus 5. First question, compare with the standard form of quadratic equation and find the values of a, b and c. In second question, again compare with standard form of quadratic equation, find the values of a, b and c. Then put the values of a, b and c and find the roots of the quadratic equation by using formula method. First we have to find out b square minus 4ac, or we can find it out by putting these values in directly in this formula also. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and then find the values of x. If there are two values, means the roots of the given quadratic equations are minus 1 and minus 5. This is the solution of given quadratic equations. Got it all of you? Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you very much.